A long time ago, on the edge of a woodland, there dwelt two rather bothersome and disagreeable companions. You're a cheat. Just because you didn't win, you're just bitter about losing. That's enough. It's time to stop. The council of this grove, consisting of 55 ancient trees, has determined that your endless squabbling is not only disruptive, but also... You're dishonest! No, you're the dishonest one. It's a dreadful example for the young ones in our community. Therefore, don't say it. We regret to inform you that you must leave this area. You can't do this. We're sorry. This isn't the first warning we've given you, yet you refuse to change. We can no longer allow you to stay here. I hate doing this to them. We've tried counseling them, but perhaps venturing into the world will teach them the importance of camaraderie and togetherness. Thus, the cats were forced to roam into a human settlement. Hey, kitties, you look famished. Come, let me offer you some cream. Hey, you're gulping it down too quickly. You'll take my portion, too. You're just making excuses to hog all the cream. Meow! Scram! You seem awfully hungry. I know a spot where you can find food. Tell us where. The monkey led the cats to an isolated shed on the village's outskirts. I saw the caretaker there preparing flatbreads this morning. Flatbreads are tasty. There might still be some left. Thank you. I just saw the caretaker leave. The path is clear. That's really kind of you. If you knew there were flatbreads, why didn't you take them yourself? First, rodents. I ate rodents. And second, someone needs to take the fall if the caretaker returns. But what if the cats eat all the flatbreads themselves? Those arguing fools couldn't even share a bowl of cream. They'll never divide anything fairly. Meanwhile, the cat sneaked into the shed and discovered only one flatbread remained. Put that flatbread down. What's wrong with you? I carried it out and it's bad enough that you snatched it and ran off. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. Meow! Meow! Is there an issue? He got the larger half. No, you did. Let me fix this for you. This piece is bigger. I'll even them out. Oops. Do you want them equal or not? And under the guise of balancing the portions, the monkey devoured the entire flatbread, leaving just a tiny crumb on the ground, and then fled. Meow! You! That was my meal! How dare you! I'm starving. I'm exhausted. Let me assist you. You ran off from there. You ate the flatbread and let the caretaker blame us. It was an honest mistake. But if you're so upset, fine. I was going to show you a place to stay. But since you refuse to be friends, I'll leave. Stay! Wait! The monkey took the cats to a dilapidated shack where he resided. This place is filthy. I thought you might want to clean it. Why should I? Oh, I see. What? Your friend told me you're idle and messy. Fine. If you won't clean, then. He called me idle and messy. How dare he? I'll prove him wrong. What should we make the other cat do? I'm parched. Fetch your own water. You're just as your friend described. Lazy and self-centered. How dare he? I'll show him. Ha! The pleasures of control. Why toil when you have minions? In this manner, the monkey kept manipulating the two cats. They were so caught up in outdoing each other, believing the worst of one another, that they failed to see how the monkey was exploiting their disputes, turning them into his servants. They were worn out, weary, hungry, and wretched. Look at him. He's just idle. And to think he called you that. For the first time, the cats understood the value of working together. Thank you so much. It's fine. You haven't fetched the pears I asked for. Lazy, lazy. Both of them. So you told him I'm lazy and you told him I'm filthy? No, I didn't. The monkey is deceiving us. Why would he deceive us? How about finding us some pears today? You're a monkey. Find a pear tree and get your own pears. Well, your friend said you're too incompetent and foolish to find a pear tree. What? Don't worry. I'll go. I'm not foolish. The cat spent the entire morning searching for pears in the forest. Finally, when he found a tree, ha! I'm starving. I despise pears. Then why are you collecting them? For the monkey? Why would you pick pears for a monkey? I don't know. I thought you might be tired. Thank you. Bring the pears. The monkey is waiting. As the cats carried the pears, they overheard. They're being kind to each other. Your reign is crumbling. If they realize you're using their rivalry against them, they'll leave. The cats were stunned and finally understood how the monkey had deceived them. What a vile, vile creature. No worse than us. This is our doing. All our pointless, selfish quarrels. I finally see what the deer meant about someone exploiting our animosity. But no more. Never again. Well, if you're ready to change, you're welcome back in our community. Thank you. Well, it was fun while it lasted. And so, at last, the cats learned that it was enjoyable to collaborate and work and play as a team. It was foolish and selfish to keep arguing. They transformed and were never their old, disagreeable, selfish, quarrelsome selves again.